welcome to our channel 10 Minutes Code, and today we are going to learn React routers. So this is how routers looks. So let me show you in React website. So as we can see, this is the root. Okay, this is the root, and if I click here learn React, and we can see the root has been changed, and if I click there in thinking in React, then root changed. So root is changing, but we can see the reload icon is not working. Okay, because we are on the same page, only the roots are changing and the components are changing. That's how routers works in React. So to make the big applications simple, we use routers. Okay, so that we can go to another page by using just a link tag. So first of all, this is a React application where we are going to use routers. So if you don't know how to set up, so you can check out our previous video, installation of React, or we can say setup of React. So here it is how it looks a React page. So here we are going to use React. So now we are going to first create three components. I'm going to create home.jsx, and then I'm going to create about.jsx. I'm going to create one more, which is contact.jsx. Fine. So we can see we have created three components, and the next step we are going to install node library, which is npm install react router DOM. So this library will give a functionality to React application of using React routers. So our library has been installed. Now we are going to import that library here. So we are going to import, first we are going to import browser router, because it's a big word, so we are going to use this as routers, and then we are going to import roots, and then we are going to import root. So these three things we are going to import from React router DOM. And the next step, just I'm going to export something from contact. We are going to show your contact here, and then in about RFC, this is a short form to get a boilerplate. So I'm going to write here about, and here in contact, sorry, it is done, and in home I'm going to write RFC, and then here I'm going to write home. So let's import these three components inside our app component. So I'm going to import home, and after that I'm going to import about, and then I am going to import contact. So we have imported all three components, and we have imported React routers. So now let's check it out. So first we are going to write routers here, and inside the routers we are going to write roots, and inside the roots here comes our main path, which is root. So this is how it looks like. I think so. Yeah, fine. So here in this root we have to specify a path. Suppose I am writing this as slash. So if it's a home page, we are going to use a component tag, and we are going to render home, and then same thing we are going to copy this down, and here we are going to write about, and here contact. So if it's slash about, then we are going to render about, and if it's slash contact, then we are going to render contact. So let's check it out, our React application. So we are at the slash, so we are going to see the home page. Okay, we are going to see the home page, and if I write here about, so we can see we came to the about. So about component has been rendered, and if I write a contact, then we can see a contact. Okay, that's how it's going to work. Suppose I'm going to create a link tag here. Suppose in about.jsx I'm going to import link from React router DOM, and here I am going to use a link tag, and here I am going to use 2, and in 2 we are going to pass the value. Okay, suppose I am going to just pass about and 10 minutes code. That's all. and we are going to write here click to render code page. Okay, so this is a link tag which is also in the React Router DOM library. If we use this, we can generate a link here. So, well, let me show you. So here we get a link. Okay, so first of all, and here also we are going to create one more root. Here in root we are here /about, and we are going to write 10 minutes code. Root can be anything. Okay, you have to render the components as per your requirement. So first of all, there is no component called code, so I am going to create a component called code, and I am going to write here RAFC, and then I am going to write here 10 minutes code. Okay, so here when this routers comes, then we have to render the code. So here code is all automatically imported when we write here code. So let's check it out. So first of all, we are at the /about page. When I click here, then we will come to about /10 minutes code, and we can see 10 minutes code has been rendered. Okay, this is how we can use React Router DOM. So for big applications or for big React pages, we use this as a user friendly, and it's make the page easier. Okay, so for more web development and machine learning and late code videos, just subscribe as a 10 minutes code. Thank you.